We have discovered 5,523 exoplanets. Have you ever wondered how many of those planets are actually habitable? Well, strap yourselves in because today we're going to find out. You heard that right, scientists have discovered a staggering 5,523 exoplanets so far. But hold on, because they're not all habitable for life as we know it. Deep within the vast expanse of space, there lies a treasure trove of celestial bodies. But among those countless planets, only a select few meet the criteria needed to support life. So what makes a planet habitable? A habitable planet, also known as a Goldilocks planet, is one that orbits its star at just the right distance. This means neither too close or too far, so that it's not too hot or too cold. It has to be just right for the existence of liquid water and other key ingredients for life to be able to sustain. But wait, there's more. Habitable exoplanets also need to have a sustainable atmosphere to regulate the temperature, protect from harmful cosmic radiation, and perhaps most importantly, a steady source of energy from their host star. Now, you may be wondering, how did we even find habitable exoplanets in the first place? Well, thanks to the brilliant minds and cutting-edge technology of astronomers and astrophysicists, we are able to analyze a plethora of data collected from space telescopes such as Kepler, TESS, and the James Webb Telescope. Using a combination of techniques such as the transit and radio velocity method, scientists can detect exoplanets and gather valuable information about their size, composition, and orbital characteristics. Those two things I just mentioned, which were transit and radio velocity methods, are very simple to understand. The transit method is simply where we look at a star and over a period of time we detect slight dips in its brightness, and that is caused by planets going in between the star and us as it's orbiting the star. The radio velocity method is where we can detect the movements of the star going back and forward caused by the gravity in between the star and the planet, because the planet is also attracting the star, meaning the star itself will move. In other words, the star will also orbit around the common center of gravity between the two celestial bodies. Hopefully that's not too complicated, because right now I'm about to explain this thing called the Drake equation, which is slightly more complicated. The Drake equation, developed by astronomer Frank Drake, gives us an estimate of the number of intelligent civilizations in our galaxy. By considering factors such as the rate of star formation and the percentage of stars with planets, it helps us to ponder the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Now, unfortunately, we don't have a definite answer for the exact number of habitable exoplanets. It's an ongoing quest, and with new discoveries constantly being made, the number is always changing. But what we do know is that each new finding finds us closer to understanding our place in the vast cosmos. With that being said, current predictions say that 63 of the nearly 6,000 discovered exoplanets are potentially habitable, which means that potentially there's 63 planets that we know of that host life. So what we need to do as humans is keep looking at these planets, and potentially one day we'll see their lights turn on. So until next time, keep looking up and also subscribe.